Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Persol sunglasses model 3217S in color code 2453. The color of the frame is Tortoise, and the lenses are brown. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also pilot shaped, and its temples are Havana. On its temple tip, you'll find the Persol logo engraved. You'll also find the Persol logo engraved on its top right lens. On its inner right temple is the Persol logo that is handmade in Italy, and on its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 59 is for its lens, 14 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. Glasses also come with a Persol case, a Persol gift box, a brown Persol cleaning cloth, a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica, and a Persol booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.